What's up, brodies? Welcome back to another video. And it's been a very long time, man, but I've been so busy with school. I just haven't been able to, keep up with videos. Sorry about this loud ass refrigerator. We're not gonna really be in the garage today. I'm gonna drive my Mustang because I've had some comments of people want to know how the stall drives and an updated 0 to 60. Now I'm pretty sure I'm gonna spin on the street. It's better to go to a drag strip, but also have some Steeda underdrive pulleys I installed over the time, of those 20 days I've been gone. Sadly, I didn't record the installation on the Steeda underdrive pulleys. However, I will talk about it on a different video just because the information to find the information on how to install Steeda underdrive pulleys is just so stupid because honestly, there's no detailed information. So I'm basically just gonna go over it again. But let's go for a drive, guys, and let's have some fun. Did a burnout right here. That must be crazy. Oh, most definitely right here. So it definitely pulls way harder. The response, I feel it, man. After installing them Steeda underdrive pulleys, I can definitely feel my car responding better. If you guys want any more detailed videos of my car and how things feel, please let me know down in the comment section or DM me Identity the 2V. I'm always glad to help you guys out, answer some questions. People always hit me up, guys, so don't feel scared to hit me up. I'm just some God, what the hell am I hitting down there, yeah? Whatever. God, I feel like that thing scraped the bottom of my shoe. I got the windows down so y'all can hear the sound of the car. I'm gonna raise them up a little bit for aerodynamic reasons. Like Megatron's nipple on my forehead. So I want to show you guys how the stall acts on the highway. See, you can hear that still in that gear. Don't worry, guys, it's normal, alright? See, now it changed that gear. And this is because I'm not driving as fast, I'm driving slow. The gears are just gonna slowly kick in by themselves. Usually they kick pretty hard, so. What am I now? 50? Alright, I'm at 50 miles per hour. Do a burnout, bro. There's no point, honestly. I wonder if I can rev it up higher.